Hi guys. I just want to make this quick video to kind of show you how to subtract on your learning packet. I noticed this one was one that a lot of students struggled with because it was hard. It was difficult to regroup all through all those place values. So if you want to grab your packet so that you can have this with you as you go through it with me and check how you did on it. But I just want to kind of clarify some of this stuff. So the first one right here that I'm doing is on that second row. I'm going to start at the ones place, and I noticed that, again, just how we practice in classroom, there's less on the floor. Remember, if the rule is when there's more on the floor, you go next door and borrow 10 more. I don't need to do that. I know that if I have 4, I can take away 2, and that will give me 2. The next one, then I go into the tens place. Now I see that I have 0, I have nothing, and I can't take away 1 because I have nothing. So here's where I will go next door, borrow 10 more, and I had 0, so now I have 10. My neighbor 100, I took away the only one he had, so he now has 0. So now I'm going to subtract in the tens place before I worry about the hundreds. 10 take away 1 equals 9, because I know 9 plus 1 is 10. Then the next one, now I go into the hundreds place, and there's more on the floor, so I'm going to go next door, borrow 1 more. My neighbor had 8, he gave me 1, so remember to change that digit. Now it becomes a 7. 10 take away 6, that equals 4. And 7 take away nothing equals 7. Check on how you did. All right, here's the next one that I noticed was also a lot of regrouping. The first one, I have 0, and I need to go next door, borrow 10 more. And 10 take away 6, I know that's going to be 4. The tens digit, I have 1, I can take away 1. I don't have to regroup there. So I'm going to just go ahead and go subtract all the way through. My neighbor 5, I can't take away 9, so there is more on the floor. So I'm going to go next door, get 1 more. I have 15. My neighbor 5,000 now has 4,000. So I'm going to make sure I write that up there. 15 take away 9, I know that is equal to 6, and I can do the opposite by adding 9 plus 6 to make sure it equals to 15, since they're inverse operations. And then 4,000 take away nothing equals 4,000. Okay, so there's that one. Here's the next one that I noticed, also a lot of regrouping, so let's go over this one. 2 take away 0, I'm taking away nothing, so I don't have to regroup. It equals 2. There's more on the floor in the tens place, so I know I'm going to have to go next door. But wait, the next door neighbor has nothing. So then I know this neighbor, the hundreds, is going to have to borrow from the thousands. Still just 1. So that makes him a 10. And the 7,000 now becomes 6,000. From there, I'm going to go borrow, say, okay, now you have enough to give me 1. And I had 2, so now it's 12 because I have 12 tens. 12 tens take away 9. I know that equals 3 because 9 plus 3 equals 12. 9 take away nothing. I know that's 9. And 6,000 take away nothing equals 6,000. Don't forget that comma, okay? All right. And then the final one is this one right here. So again, check through it. Did you start at the ones place? Look at the floor. Wait, there's 4. I can't take away 4 from 1. Oh, neighbor doesn't have 1, so we're going to have to double regroup. Keep going over next door. The neighbor's going to give him 1. So now he has 10. And this neighbor, 400s, now has 300s. Now you can borrow from him. So I know that's going to become a 9. And this one's 11 because they gave you 1 more. 11 take away 4, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. And 7 plus 4 is 11. 9 take away 2, 9, 8, 7. 300s take away nothing is 300s. 5,000s take away nothing is 5,000. And 6,000 take away nothing is 6,000. Okay, all right, so that was just a little quick review. If you want to go back through your other, I'm messing it all up. If you want to go back through all your other problems to see if you have any other questions, let me know, okay? All right, bye guys.